These are the elevators here at the brand new Target store here at Bayshore Town Center in Glendale, Wisconsin. Take a look at this. This is a really interesting elevator. Elevator bank. Look, take a look at this. This elevator here, this used to be the, this is actually the original Boston store elevator. They didn't actually take it out. Yeah, look at this. This used to be the Boston store elevator. They just modernized it. Let's go to 2. Here we go. That didn't sound good. Here at 2. Well, let's go back down to 1. I don't want to go down into the basement. Let's probably not go out to the basement. I don't really feel like going down there. Get a cab view. Same cab like when this used to be Boston store. Here's where the old indicator used to be. Vacuum indicator, innovation browser buttons. What is the 3,000 pound capacity? Is your COP. Alright. Yeah, look. You can tell that this is. Let me just get off here. Yeah, look. You can tell that this thing just got modernized. I can't believe that. Now we're gonna go ride the new elevator. This one was just added on. Dude, I can't believe this. This is a really interesting elevator bank. This one here used to be the Boston store elevator. They just modernized it. This one here was just added on.
You taking pictures?
Oh yeah, no, I'm just taking a bit of the elevator. I'm an owner enthusiast. I do this for a hobby.
Oh, you take what? You take pictures?
No, I do this for a YouTube channel.
Huh?
It's for a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Have a good one.
You too.
Here's this one. Here it is. I'm gonna put the camera down just in case there's people. And this is the new elevator. I'm not sure these are MEI installed by Schindler. Here we go. Here we're up at 2, 1. There's your lantern there. We'll get a cab view on this one. This one's actually big. It's actually huge, believe it or not. Again, vacuum indicator, same fixtures, except this one has a 5,500 pound capacity. Alright, we're gonna end the video up on 2. You guys going up?
An escalator. Oh, they did. There is an escalator. Nothing's easy.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem. Yeah, this is really interesting. This is the new elevator, and this is the old Boston store elevator. They just modernized it. This one here used to be a Montgomery or Scheller. This one here is a new one here. This one's actually even bigger. Alright, well this is a really interesting elevator setup. So, not sure these are MEI installed by Schindler. I'm guessing these are MEI installed by Schindler, I would say. Alright, well, that'll be it.